Welcome. Welcome, please. Welcome. Remain seated. Welcome. Stay calm.
Let's crack our eggs first, eh? So 3 eggs. Boom, into the pot. There we go, 3 eggs. Grate the end off it, there's nothing at the end. Then I'll just grate it straight into the mix. This is a zucchini. So grab zucchini, grate my zucchini straight into the mix. I should have got a knife out first. That's probably enough. But quick rinse. Have a bite of that. Tasty. Here we go. We want our Coles Australian regular beef mince. So it's toes and hoofs, but you know, noses and hoofs on them. And then we'll take our whole, break it up slightly. It's easy to get in because it's been a pain in the bottom. Doesn't want to play. But there we go. Look at all them. It's meat. It's meat for. What's it meat for? Carnivores. It's meat for carnivores. This bowl's a little bit small, or I've got a load more mince in here than I really should have put in, but you get that. I'll have a bit of spillage, but I always have a bit of spillage, so make sure you wash your hands beforehand, as I did, but not on camera. Now I've definitely got too much there because I've got other ingredients I need to go in there, or I want to put in that. So what I'm going to do is I'll get a bowl out. There we go, there's the bowl. And take about half of that out. Alright, that can go aside, that can go in the fridge later. Anyway, so this, you can make a hamburger patties out of this, or what have you. Just putting your hands up again so it doesn't stick quite so much. I haven't done my carrots, so I want 2 carrots in there. Carrots are good for your eyesight. As you can see, my eyesight is terrible. Actually, I think I'll only do 1 carrot into that. Right. Now we have Hoy's garlic granules. Got to have me garlic granules. About half a packet of that in. Ground black pepper. Now I picked up these new ones. This is another set of herbs. It's a Master Foods Italian herbs. So what's in Italian herbs? I have no idea. Maybe it's full of little half-grown Italians or something. Anyway, we'll whop a good helping of that in. Now I do like a bit of heat, so I'm going to put some chili flakes, not too much. I like a little bit of heat, but I don't like to be having to run for a drink. Now I've got this ground turmeric. I don't even know what it smells like, so we'll soon see if I'm going to put it in. Oh, smells like dirty feet. Let's just put a touch in it. Touch of dirty feet. There we go. That'll do. And I've got some ground paprika, which is also a new one. I'll get the lid settings off of that. Oh, busted me thumbnail. That doesn't smell quite as bad as Dirty Feet, so put a little bit of red stuff in there. So what was it? Bit of ground paprika. And we need special ingredient, beer. You know why Queenslanders call this beer 4X? Because they can't spell beer. And here we go, sippies. It's definitely beer. A little bit of beer in there, and the rest for me. Oh, let's mix that together. May need a little bit more moisture in this. Maybe. But that's easy, just put more beer in. Yeah, a little bit more beer, a little bit more beer. There we go, a little bit more beer. Needs something else, I think. What's it need? Maybe some onion. Yeah, some onion. Dried onions. Let's get the big hole open. There we go. Dried onion. Yummo. Because I've just remembered that when I used to make this when I was a youngster, you'd do fresh onion. You'd dice up fresh onion in it. But I don't have any fresh onions here, so I'll use dried onions. That's starting to smell a bit more like it should. Something else I don't have. This would have been rolled up in flour, little flour balls. But I haven't got any flour, I forgot to buy that. So, I'll do it without. So, for a meatball, I use about that. Stick it in the pan. It's not really quite hot enough yet, but it will do. That's better. I try and keep them about the same size so they cook evenly. And I say that and I make one real big, but so I'll do 5 balls. And we'll let them cook. Alright, so while that's cooking, I might open my mail. Let's see who sent me mail. Someone sent me mail from the States, so we'll soon find out who that is. See you at the desk. I've got some mail. Look at that. Someone actually sent me a letter. This has come from Salt Lake City, Utah, in the US. So I've got no idea who this is from. There's nothing on the back, so let's open her up and see what we have inside. Oh, we've got a letter. Here we go. It's JP 1970. Hey Benno, just wanted to send you a couple of my channel stickers. I've been enjoying your YouTube channel ever since I found it when you sunk your drone in that water pool and made several trips to retrieve it. Well, did it ever fly again? Well, no mate, it didn't fly again. Yeah, the airframe's okay, but most of the electronics is okay. The motors are burnt out, and I just haven't been able to get around with everything that's been going on of late to to find the parts for it and spend the time on and fixing it. As well as I'm in Queensland, and everything, including that drone and its sister drone, are down in Victoria in storage at the moment. So I'm looking for a shed so I can have a new Benno shed. So JP1970, hope that answers your questions. Thanks very much, mate. And here's a couple of JP1970s channel stickers. One of them will go on my fairing, and the other one, I'm not sure yet. So JP1970, thanks, man. What'll I send you back in return? What have we got here? We've got some poker chips. These ones are from Sun City Harley Davidson in Townsville, and there's another one of the variation of theirs. I've also got some other ones somewhere from Central Harley Davidson in Victoria, which is about 2,500 kilometres from here. And I've also got some from Bundaberg Harley Davidson, where the Bundaberg run comes from. Well, not from the Harley shop, but yeah. So I've got some from there. So I might send you a few of those over, mate. I believe you do collect poker chips. And by the time I get around to that, hopefully I'll have some stickers done as well. Just working on a bit of a a design. So yeah, cool. All right, that's my mail call. Thanks, JP. Catch you next time. Here's the turny dover. Turny dover. That's smelling pretty good. I'm really kicking myself for not having any corn flour, because I would have been able to make a really nice gravy out of the juices at the bottom of that. But I'll just have to have beer instead. Smelling pretty good. See if that's yet cooked properly. Close this one here will do. Break it straight in half. That is perfect. So I'll pull the rest of them out. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Oh, that'd make a lovely gravy. Okay. The smoke alarm just went off. Got this shit in my pants. Fucking beautiful. Hamburger patties are great. Because they're a slightly different shape, they cook differently. They taste different. Out of what I cooked up, I can't eat any more than that. Well, maybe I'll have another bite. I'm good. I'm proper. See you later.